Tomorrow's my birthday.
On the old 405.
I want the airport, everybody.
Through security. Logan had to go through twice.
On the red flag.
There goes the water.
That's the beach. Looks like we're going super fast now.
We are. I told you we were going fast the whole time.
Webson's breaking. Look at that. It's breaking.
It's not breaking. That's slowing it down.
I'd like to welcome you to the Twin Cities of Minneapolis and St. Paul, where the local time is 2:40 p.m.
Are we in Mini City?
Schedule regulations do require all passengers to remain seated with their seatbelts securely fastened.
So, what are you going to say to Grandpa?
Hello, old man.
We're going to do a video of how to start a fire.
Is Logan turning into a lumberjack?
Yeah. Careful, man. Careful. There, that's a good one. Thank you. So we're lit.
Professor Pinky.
I'm gonna clean the car.
Whoa! Whoa! Okay, you ready?
There goes Ivy. On her birthday.
Yeah. I'm okay.
It's that one. Yeah.
That's going viral. Ivy, stop running your brother over. You go. Any last words?
No.
Here we go. Push it.
I think that's...
Shape it up. Whoa! Kirk Cousins, wide open. Get it under. There you go. Got to get it all the way under. Jurassic Park. Whoa. What the?
No, we're not cutting.
Wow.
Stopped us in the air.
Happy birthday, Ivy, from the top of the Mall of America.
They stopped us in the air about
This is the end. The end, my.
I'm done with the rides.
We're done. You got him.
I think my uncle. And they're going on to a spinny roller coaster.
Say bye, Mom America.
Bye, Mom. What, we're leaving?
Say
No,
bye.
well, what about looking at stores?
Oh wait, it's closing right now. Look at this thing. Where did you get that? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ivy. Happy birthday to you. What is it? The big 3-year-old. Logan's eating snow. You don't eat the yellow snow, right? Because somebody peed in it. How's it taste? You can walk down the mountain.
Hey, everybody. Here. And we're going to take a tour.
What are we doing?
We're going to take a tour.
Whoa. Hey, look who it is in there. Little hot tub. Oh. Mom in training, look at this. It's the famous table. Imported from Milan. Happy Thanksgiving. We're cooking the turkeys. We're boiling them this year.
All right. Yeah.
God, what do we got here?
Right.
Oh, thank you. What do you got? Mac and cheese? Okay, look at that. This is what we're eating right here.
Good job.
Look at that food. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Say Happy Thanksgiving, Lolo. Oh, good job.
Lolo.
Is this too much food?
Yeah.
Oh, this is plate number 2. Everybody's cleaned. Did I hear people are eating pumpkin pie?
My grandkids are here eating pumpkin pie. How could life be better?
Wow, look at that pumpkin pie, guys. Ivy, that's your second pumpkin pie?
That's your second piece?
You're gonna get a third pumpkin pie? Ivy's gonna get thirds?
What?
Everybody had firsts? Hey, I'm thankful for the amount of pie that you ate. Let me see. Wow, that's a nice outfit you got on there too. Super cozy. Here she is. She's slaved away in the kitchen.
Wah, 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 wah. Wah, 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 wah. Singing a song, walking in the wonderland.
Last Christmas.
Aren't you tired trying to boy? Or do you need more? If they're housekeeping so hardcore, I'm fine. In all the time I find myself
government the only one.
Then there goes.
And the others, they know just what I'm going through. It ain't so hard to be a lover when you say you're only in for fun. Playing with the queen of hearts. No one ain't really smart. The Joker is the only fool
Who do everything for you?
playing with the queen of hearts. No one ain't really smart. Joker is the only fool
Who do anything
for you. Playing with the queen of hearts. No one ain't really smart. Joker is the only fool who do anything for you.
Playing with the queen of hearts. Playing with the queen of hearts.
Playing with the queen of hearts.
Playing with the queen of hearts.
Brando, up in the mix. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Yeah. College game day. Trying to get to the Rose Bowl. Up at college game day. Show me what you got. Come on, Logan. Oh, good job. That low. No way. That's sick, dude. Wow, what did you do?
Love it. So cute, girls.
Look, Pa's teaching. This is you can go back and say, Pa taught you how to shave. Oh, the baked ziti.
You got heaven.
Yeah, you in?
Yep.
There's the Pope room. Hey, here we go. Look at this. Uncle Brando with the Pope. Whoa, the big boy. Big boy. What the? No way. No way. Sure, here we go. Here's the wish. Wow. What was that? One of those trick ponies? There he is. He's back to normal life. That's it. What do we say to Uncle Brando? Thank you. Get him. All right, here we go.